everybody, welcome back. Shane Simpson here from Guitar Work. Welcome back. This is going to be fun. Getting a lot of good feedback about just straight ahead play along videos. This is a play along video for Neil Young's Heart of Gold. It's not how to play the song. I will link a video right there a couple of times just to make sure you know where it is of how to actually play the song. So but this one is just about let's play it through together top to bottom. It assumes that you've already played and worked from the other video. So make sure you get that together, and I also want to thank you for coming back, subscribing, all that happy YouTube stuff. The thumbs up have meant the world to me here. We're approaching 100,000 subscribers. Just amazing. Just amazing. Thanks for that. And all your feedback, I appreciate it. I'll send you to patreon.com/guitaratwork. Grab the sheets. I'll be referring these the entire time. It's got some details on there, and also all the chords that you're going to need in there. So without even talking about it, just going to leap right in. Maybe a quick word about the strumming pattern here and there, but nothing else. So go to this video, learn to play it there, come back here, play along. Okay, so the song comes in at 86 beats per minute, and I'm just using my fabulous BEATBUDDY. A lot of questions about this drum machine here, and it's just straight out of the box. It's the Blues 1 pattern I'm using. It just seems to suit a lot of songs, straight, kind of 4 on the floor groove. You don't need that, play along with me. The play alongs are very important because they teach you recovery skills. A lot of us now are playing alone, right? Which is fun, and YouTube's a great resource, don't get me wrong. But the recovery skills and the give and take that you learn from playing with other people, it seems to be missing these days. That concerns me for sure. So you're going to miss some things, especially the first time through. I'm going to be calling out the chords a little early to give you a fighting chance to get there. So, but if you miss something, just run to the beginning of the next line. Just look at your sheet and go, okay, I'll run to this E minor and meet me there. The idea is you can keep going, keep going. There's something huge to be said also about being able to change chords without looking. Try to work towards that, because then you can keep your eyes on your sheet. I've got my trusty iPad right here. I can look at my sheet and I don't have to look to get to a G or a D or an E minor, because as soon as you look, then you got to look back at your sheet. Oh, where am I, right? So that's an important skill for sure. And again, 86 beats a minute. Let's just give her a go. It's going to start out with the riff, and the riff is going to go twice, then the harmonica solo. I'm going to shout it out. Here it comes. Have fun with it. 1, 2, 3, 4, E minor. D, E minor. Big riff here. Repeat. D coming. Big riff. Harmonica, E minor. C, D, G, E minor. Repeat. C, 3 times. D, and a G. Good. E minor coming. C here. And D. Here's your G. Big riff. E minor on 1. D. And the riff. Here we go. Vocal in quietly. C. D. G. I want to give. E minor. C. Minor. D. G. E minor coming. Is C. These expressions. D. G. Never give. E minor double. 1, 2. Search in G for a hard to go. Punches C. Rocking it, and E minor double. Search in G for a hard to go. C punches. Rocking it. Harmonica sola, E minor. C. D coming. Here's your G. 3 times now. E minor. C. D here. And G. Repeat that. E minor. C. D. G. Now big riff. E minor. D to E minor. E minor. C. Verse. Hollywood. D. G. Then to Redwood. E minor. C. D. G. E minor. C. D coming. G. E minor double, keep me searching. G for a heart of gold. C punches, here we go. Walking it, and E minor, here we go. C, keep me searching. G for a heart of gold. It's a double. C punches again. Walking it, and boom, 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 boom. Now, instrumental, E minor. C, harmonica again. D, and a G. Repeat that. E minor. C. D coming. G here, and repeat it again. E minor. C. D. G. Bottom E minor. Keep me searching. D for a heart. E minor. Go. E minor. keep me searching, double, D to E minor, growing old, E minor, keep me searching, D for a heart of gold, last line, E minor, bit of minor, G, for a heart of gold, C punches, here we go, walking it, and big clean ending there, woo, there we go, that's it. That's a full speed play along, 86 beats per minute. Now, if that felt too fast to you, there are ways to slow that down, slow the video down via YouTube and play along at a more comfortable speed for sure. But try to work up to that. And I want to say it again, you got to just jump in. You're going to miss some stuff, right? And I'm sure I can annoy you by shouting it out at the time it doesn't work for you, but stick with it, go round and round on it and try to make that a daily part of your practice. Practicing is, you're doing this thing. You may have to work on that. Okay, boom. But playing is when you gotta leap in and just do it. Leap in and you kind of learn on the fly. So thank you for all the requests for more play along videos. There is a playlist I've made up that has all the play along videos that I've done, and I hope you'll enjoy them. Thanks for coming back. I appreciate thumbs up. They mean the world here at my end, and I hope to hear from you very soon. Take care, guys. Okay, bye. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and now 1.